Hello my friends, and welcome to this video about the Meridian 598 DVD audio player. This is my first ever DVD audio player. I don't know how popular that format is, but well, I got one of those and I've been told that it is quite good as far as DVD audio players go. So I was trying to fix that DVD drive, and I had a few spare ones, you know, around from the old days, but none of them were any good. So I got this, I bought some from overseas. I bought a couple of DVD ROMs. These are IDEs. The first one didn't work at all, and I was just about to give up on it when I plugged this one in. This one works great. It reads absolutely any CDR, reads discs, you know, that have 2.5mm break in data layer and 3mm black dot. So you'll think, now you have to work out how you're going to fit that, because the original one is completely different, and mechanically you have to sort of somehow incorporate it. And here I have a big shout out to all of you people. All is not good, and this is, you know, how my old yellowish around the edges CDR. The trick is that I do not have a proper DVD audio. I have this thing here, DVD audio, but this is a CD or DVD-R that I've burnt myself. And what happens is that you can see in here nicely on my screen, this is Boothroyd Stewart Meridian loading, and it will load in a moment. It will say that it is a DVD. See, it knows it's a DVD. It's displayed there, but it doesn't play. Okay, and you can press play, but nothing will happen. You can change display, and just shows you that's about it. Now the problem is that at the back, I'm guessing that might be a problem. Of course, I might be wrong. At the back, the output, you know, for CD we have a standard SPD, but for there are three outputs. One is left-right, one is surround, one is sub and center. And so that suggests that each one of them carries a signal for 2 channels. Well, I haven't got anything to hooked up with. You know, my Anthem home theater amp doesn't have such things, and I just don't know what to do with it. Is this why this player doesn't want to go any further, because it sees there's nothing on the output? Or do I have, you know, DVD audio that's not correct because you just cannot burn them? I mean, I can play that thing on a on my Oppo. I have Oppo 105D, and that plays fine. But that's connected by HDMI to the television. Well, this thing doesn't have HDMI. It only has those 3 outputs. So please help me. Please help me and tell me, you know, where is the problem? What do I need to have to play it? Well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye-bye.